So the cover here is not aligned, so I'm going to take it away a little bit and now align this thing here and push it. No? I think it should click. No?
Hammer, hammer, hammer.
Audience is screaming for hammer. Okay, I'm going to put this away to save it from damage, and we are going to use the hammer.
Michael is a hammer.
Okay, so it's in. You should hear loud clicking noise.
Like click.
That way you know that it fits in. Okay, let's put in the motherboard for the third time. I hope this is the final time we are going to need. In the next step, we are going to mount this USB and 5-wire extension here in this slot. Okay, so Michael will open the bag, and this should be easy. This is probably the easiest part of the setup. Now we only have to figure out where to put these two connectors. But when I look closely at the board, I see 4 USB plugs, the blue ones, and the red one.
It's also red.
And I guess the red one is the firewire.
Maybe
Because the fire is what color?
blue.
Red.
But we should do this after installing graphic card or
So probably this is it for today. It's already past midnight. So bye and see you in next part. We are going to tackle some more hardware and then we'll try to overclock this beast. Bye. Say goodbye.
bye.